to the cold and damp. When my arms are staring by the flashing neon light, the spirit of night touch the sound of silence. And when the naked light eyes echoed in the wild of silence. And